Future be trapping.
The telephone. So I'm going to play it for you to listen to it. I'm going to play it. Let's go.
Future be trapping.
Yeah. Share. This is my time, I know keep on shining.
Keep on shining,
This is my time, I know keep on shining.
keep on shining,
This is my time, I know keep on shining.
keep on shining,
This is my time, I know keep on shining.
keep on shining. Yeah.
Yeah. This is tutorial of how to do telephone effect on vocal. So in case you are doing music, you want to put a telephone effect as intro or the chorus or the verse. Yes, this tutorial is for the upcomers, beginners, upcomer learners. You know, those people want to learn music for tomorrow, future producers. Anyway, this tutorial is for you, how to do telephone effects. So anyway, when I come to the program Cubase 5, I'm using Cubase 5 to do it. And now I've loaded my beats. Let me play the beat.
Future be trapping.
So I want to play the beats to know where to do the record. This is the intro. This is the intro. So I want to start running this. So now I have to start recording it. So I hit record. Let's go.
Future be trapping.
Yeah. Chair. This is my time, I know keep on shining. This is my time, I know keep on shining. This is my time, I know keep on shining. This is my time, I know keep on shining. So now I've done first record, I have to do second record. And the second record, that's the second record which I'll apply the telephone effects. So let me hit the record again. As backup. Record. Let's go.
Future be trapping.
Yeah. Share. This is my time, I know keep on shining. Keep on shining. This is my time, I know keep on shining. Keep on shining. This is my time, I know keep on shining. Keep on shining. This is my time, I know keep on shining. Keep on shining. Yeah. So now I've done the backup record. So it's now for me to apply telephone effects. So now inside the Cubase door, I have to go to settings to load EQ. You have EQ10, EQ30, isotope, ozone 5, equalizer, and I'm going to choose studio EQ. Then I have to go to the settings. I'll see telephone. I'll click on telephone. So when I click on telephone, it's going to bring out this EQ frequency, and I've set it as telephone. This sharp edges, sharp loop that it brings pop out in this equalizer is the telephone. So I'm going to play it for you to listen to it. I'm going to play it. Let's go.
Future be trapping.
Yeah. Share. This is my time, I know keep on shining.
Keep on shining,
This is my time, I know keep on shining.
keep on shining,
This is my time, I know keep on shining.
keep on shining,
This is my time, I know keep on shining.
keep on shining. Yeah.
That's the telephone effect. But I'm still going to add additional one of the telephone effects for it to be 2. Its telephone effect is not yet balanced, to be frank with you. I'm going to make it 2 because of, if I didn't put it 2, it's not going to sound good. So I have to activate it. So I have to adjust cut the frequency, I have to cut the frequency. Yeah, trim it this way, that's how it's going to sound good. So now let me go hit back to the production. Let me play it. This is my time, and I'll keep on shining.
Keep on shining.
This is my time, and I'll keep on shining.
Keep on shining.
This is my time, and I'll keep on shining.
Keep on shining.
This is my time, and I'll keep on shining.
Keep on shining. Yeah.
So guys, this is where the tutorial has come to an end. Yeah, I said it before, follow my page, TECKPRO. When you follow my page, more tutorials is going to drop in my special group, TECKPRO. Great tutorial for the upcoming learners. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel. More tutorials is going to be dropping. Any moment I say it's going to drop, it's going to drop. Subscribe, like, and also share. Anyway, this will come to an end. This is where the tutorials come to an end. Anyway, I see you. Bye. Bye.